Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Example 1.3. Let a set is equal to set of all x belongs to natural number such that x lies between 1 to 4. B is equal to set of all x belongs to whole number such that x lies between 0 to 2. And C is equal to set of all x belongs to natural number such that x is strictly less than 3. Then verify that the result subdivision 1 and subdivision 2. So this results from distributive property. So first I am going to write the given sets. So A set is equal to set of all x belongs to natural number, x lies between 1 and 4. So lies between numbers 2 then 3. So 2 comma 3 is a set A. Then set B is equal to set of all x belongs to whole number. So x lies between 0 to 2. So 0 is included, then 1. Then set C is equal to x belongs to natural number. X is strictly less than 3. So natural number starts from 1. So 1 comma 2 is a set C. So next I am going to prove the first subdivision. So first subdivision becomes A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union of A cross C. So first I am going to choose LHS. So LHS is equal to A cross B union C. So first I am going to find B union C. So B set becomes 0 comma 1 union of C set becomes 1 comma 2. So I'm going to find union. So I'm going to write the union set becomes 0 1 comma 2. So next I'm going to write A cross B union C, which is equal to A set becomes 2 comma 3 cross B union C becomes 0 1 2. So here which is equal to, so cross product find out பண்ண போறேன். So I'm going to choose 2. So here 2 comma 0, then 2 comma 1, then 2 comma 2. Then I'm going to choose 3. Here 3 comma 0, here 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. So it's a considers equation number 1. So therefore that is A cross B union C is a LHS. So next I'm going to find RHS. So RHS becomes, so RHS is equal to A cross B union of A cross C. So first I'm going to find A cross B. So A cross B is equal to A set becomes 2 comma 3 cross B set becomes 0 comma 1. So here product A cross B is equal to, so first I'm going to choose 2. So here 2 comma 0, then 2 comma 1. Then I'm going to choose 3. So 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 1. So next I'm going to find A cross C. So A set is equal to 2 comma 3 cross 1 comma 2. So now A cross B, C is equal to, so first I'm going to choose 2. So I'm going to use the Cartesian product rule. So 2 comma 1. So next 2 comma 2. So then I'm going to choose 3. So 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. So I'm going to find RHS. So A cross B union A cross C. So which is equal to, so A cross B becomes, so I'm going to substitute this 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, then union of, then I'm going to write A cross C here, 2 comma 1, this set, then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. So next I'm going to use the union condition, so which is equal to, so union condition apply பண்ண போறேன். So 2 comma 0, then 2 comma 1 is that, so ஒன்று மட்டும் எழுதுனா போதும், then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2 is there. So consider equation number 2. So left hand side becomes A cross B union of A cross C. So RHS find out பண்ணியாச்சு. So from equation 1 and 2 ல இருந்து we get LHS is equal to RHS because 2021 இங்க இருக்க பேர்ஸும், so left hand side ல இருக்க பேர்ஸும் சேமா இருக்கு. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 ல இருந்து we get the result. So LHS equal to RHS, therefore subdivision 1 is verified. So next I am going to prove second subdivision. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection of A cross C. So already we know that A set, B set, C set. So I am going to find LHS. So LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C. So first I am going to find B intersection C. So B set becomes 0 comma 1. Intersection of C set becomes 1 comma 2. So intersection becomes 1 is a common one. So 1 is a common set. So then I'm going to find LHS A cross B intersection C, which is equal to A set becomes 2 comma 3 cross B intersection C becomes 1. So here I am going to apply the product rule. So I'm going to choose 2. So here 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 1. So this is a LHS A cross B intersection C. Consider as equation number 3. So next I am going to find RHS A cross B intersection A cross C. So first I am going to choose A cross B is equal to A set becomes 2 comma 3 cross B set becomes 0 comma 1. So therefore A cross B becomes, so I am going to choose 2. Product rule apply பண்ணலாம். So 2 comma 0, then 2 comma 1. So next I'm going to choose 3. So 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 1. Then I'm going to find A cross C. So A set becomes 2 comma 3 cross C set becomes 1 comma 2. Therefore A cross C is equal to, so first I'm going to choose 2, then apply the product rule. So 2 comma 1, then 2 comma 2. So next one I'm going to choose 3. So here 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. So now I'm going to apply the RHS formation. A cross B intersection A cross C, which is equal to, so A cross B becomes this one here 2 comma 0 comma 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 1. So intersection of A cross C becomes this one. So I'm going to apply this one. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. So here I'm going to choose common pairs. So 2 comma 0 illa. So 2 comma 1 is a common pair irukku. So 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 0 illa, then 3 comma 1 is a common pair. So 3 comma 1 is a cross b intersection a cross c. Consider as equation number 4. So from 3 and 4, so LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the result A cross B intersection C, which is equal to A cross B of intersection of A cross C, is verified.